Nagsama ang mga showbiz at political personalities sa special VIP screening at Thanksgiving party ng blockbuster film na Hello, Love Again. Makichika tayo kay Aubrey Carampel.
Exactly 1 month since their opening day, the Hello, Love Again fever is still on. Mainit na sinalubong ng fans sina Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo sa kanilang VIP screening sa Taguig City, na dinaluhan din ng mga kapuso at kapamilya executives. Para ipakita ang suporta sa pelikulang Pilipino, dumalo sa special screening si First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, Senate President Cheese Escudero at iba pang mambabatas at opisyal ng gobyerno.
It's kinda like a happy cry, a fulfilled cry because parang na-realize ni First Lady yung home niya is, yung husband niya. The film resonates to a lot of people in different ways.
Sabi niya ito sa good cry naman, so na-enjoy na yung journey ni Ethan and Joy, and then she also mentioned na napanood niya rin yung first part.
Grateful daw sina Alden at Catherine sa pagpapakita ng suporta ng mga kinatawan ng gobyerno sa Philippine cinema.
We're very grateful din naman talaga na parang mas nabibigyan tayo ng support ngayon ng ating government when it comes to the entertainment industry.
Now on its 5th week, showing pa rin in over 300 cinemas worldwide ang Hello, Love Again. Overwhelmed with joy pa rin ang mga bida ng top-grossing Filipino film of all time sa success ng movie.
To everyone who joined us in this journey, know na hindi namin po makakalimutan ng experience na to as much as you guys are to it also.
Mula sa Hello, Love, Goodbye 5 years ago, hanggang sa pagpapatuloy ng kwento ni na Joy and Ethan sa Hello, Love Again, hindi raw matatawaran ang natanggap nilang pagmamahal at suporta.
Hindi namin ito magawa nang wala yung suporta na yun, and that support motivated us and kept us going. This is Joy.
And this is Ethan. Signing off.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happening.